Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. It is I, Andrew Jovanazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. End of the week, volatile week. Anyway, don't miss our holiday special offer. Okay? Give it a try. Give it a try. If you don't understand how options work and everything is confusing, this is going to help you. This will confuse you. Okay? Go to OptionPit Holiday Offer and check it all out. Plus, you have a chance within our Gold membership. You got an individual mentoring session with me or Mark, access to our chat room all day long, all kinds of things you can learn about how options work. Instead of being surprised, right? The market is surprising enough without being surprised by how options work. Now, as far as what's going on today, so a couple of, I would say, just a few odd things. We've got almost what we'll say a 4-day weekend, Saturday, Sunday. We have Monday half day, and then we have New Year's. So don't be surprised if you see some strange volatility action. So yesterday, VIX actually had a pretty solid drop, right? Which should make sense. You know, we had that sell-off in the morning and then the huge rally into the afternoon. And with that, right, that was a pretty solid drop. So I would say at least part of this drop is a weekend effect. 36 vol to sub 30. We're kind of hanging out here, and the question is like, do the liquidity providers start to pull a little bit more juice out of the options with the holiday coming up? There's a weekend. There's tweet potential. Who the heck knows really what's going to happen? But I think from a cash point of view, a lot of the move is taken away. We might lose a point or two, but at least as of right now, it does not look like that. Okay, so index-wise, I think it's kind of difficult to trade. I'm trying to price some, let's say, upside call flies and index puts to see if we get another week next week like we had last week. Also, the range for VXX yesterday, I believe, was 4 points, like 52 and change, down to 40, the high 47s, low 48s. So VXX has the potential, again, every day to move like 10%. So looking for upside call spreads, we'll look in our chat room today for just a couple of things there. And then the last part is just like long-term options. As far as where we are now at 2,500, since we have no new news, until this trade thing starts to straighten out or something starts to straighten out, you know, I don't see us getting back to 2,600, but it does look like that 2,400 is some kind of a floor where people are stepping in. Again, not being a genius here with technical analysis, but it does not like getting too far below there. At least that's what it looks like the last time. So we do have this like sort of off the cliff from where we were down to here, and it does look like some liquidity did show up. All right. As far as into next week, so like I said, you've got that decay. No, really how it's going to play, although it does look like they took a bunch out yesterday from a vol perspective and a dollar perspective on a lot of the options. So next week, again, iffy with all the, with basically almost a 4-day holiday coming up. And from that point of view, not much going on for myself. I'll be off next week. Mark will be back. Option pit schedule will start to pick up a little bit. And if you have any questions on our classes, courses, we'll be launching our new spreadsheets to help you find trades easier. You'll be hearing more about that. We'll be doing a webinar, with the CBOE in early January. So more on that will come out. But again, I don't see it happening today. Vol futures are bid. People are still a little bit nervous here. So just look at how the options decay and see if there's really anything interesting as far as that goes. All right. All right, everybody. Have a good day.